install Unity on your machine. So this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to install Unity Hub. So Unity Hub is an application that you can use it to manage your projects. Also, we are going to download multiple versions of Unity using this tool. So go to this link. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and hit this download Unity Hub button, and it's going to be downloaded over here. Then let's go ahead and install this application. So I'm gonna open this tool. So double click it. It's simple to install. Yeah, I'm using Windows. Then we need to agree. It's very simple to install. Then you see here that the installation is finished. So hit finish, and we are going to run this application automatically. Let's allow the access of this application. As you can see here, we have the interface of the Unity Hub. We have the preferences. So when you go to the general, you see here that you can change some settings like the language. We are going to put it as English and so on. So we are going to leave the preferences over here. You see here we have the projects section and the learn section, and also installs. And here you can install any version of Unity you need. So go to installs, and let's add a new version of Unity. And here you can choose any version of Unity you choose. For example, I'm going to install the latest full version. You can choose this version or any version you want. Then hit next. As you can see, Unity is selected by default. Then we have Microsoft Visual Studio for writing our code. And you can check the Android build support to make games for Android. We have the documentation, and that's it for now. Then hit next, accept, done, and now Unity will be downloaded, as you can see it over here. As you can see, it's going to take a little bit of time because we are downloading Visual Studio. And finally, we have Unity installed on our machine. And you can see it over here on the desktop, also the Unity Hub. Now, when you go over here, to make a new project, go under the project section and hit this new button to create a new project. But when I start creating a new project and hit this create button, you see that we have this error. That's because we didn't have a Unity ID account. We need to log in with this account to be able to make projects. To do that, go to this icon, then go to sign in. And over here you can sign in if you have an account. If you don't, we need to make a new one. So this create button, as you can see it. And here we have to write our email and a password for our account. We have these requirements. So I'm going to fill these with my informations. You have to do that. Then you need to check these to accept, and hit this create Unity ID button to create your Unity ID. After that, you will receive an email from Unity Technologies. Go ahead and open your Gmail account and make the confirmation. As you can see here, we have this link to confirm email. Go ahead and click it, and now you can sign in using your email and password. So go ahead and write these information to sign in. And now we can go back into Unity Hub to use this account to make our projects. And now if you go back to this icon, you will get your account over here. And now if we try to make a new project using this new button, you can choose a 3D or 2D game over here. Then let's choose a name for our game. For example, my first game. Then over here you can choose the location of your project. So I'm gonna put it on the desktop. You can put it anywhere you want. So let's select this folder. Then let's hit this create. As you can see, we have this error because we didn't validate the license. We need to activate that. To do that, we need to go to this icon again and manage license, and then click on this button, activate new license, and you will be good to go. So let's go ahead and make our first game. Now let's go back to the project section and let's make the new project. So I'm gonna choose 3D, then let's choose a name, my first game. Then I'm gonna put it under the desktop. And so select the folder and hit this create button, and our project will be created. And here you can see the interface of Unity. It's the default layout. So by default we have just main camera and a directional light. If you wanted to test your game, so hit this play button. And here we have our first game. It's empty. But if you wanted to make a game for Android, you have to go to File, Build Settings, and switch the platform to Android, and you will be good to go.